After the first discussions for a better adaptation to climate change and the need to implement climate finance, the second day of the Petersberg Climate Dialogue leaned towards the energy transition for a rapid reduction of carbon emissions.
The world has demonstrated on various occasions their commitment to meeting the responsibilities of climate change, while at the same time the various components must be dealt with in an equitable manner, whether it is the matter of mitigation, adaptation, or loss and damage and finance.
Germany once again committed to limiting the use of fossil fuels. We will not deviate 1 inch from our climate targets. On the contrary, we will move even faster away from fossil fuels and massively increase our ambitions in the development of renewable energies, but especially in energy efficiency. Africa has not been spared by this energy transition, and it could be an opportunity even if the continent represents only 4% of carbon emissions.
On parle du soleil.
We are talking about sun, we are talking about wind, and we are talking about hydrogen and green hydrogen. Africa can industrialize with clean energy, but Africa can also potentially export the surplus energy it will produce. Africa has a deep deposit of energy. The development will or will not be done according to energy transition that Africa will have started or not. However, this transition to renewable energy cannot be done without the DRC. The country holds tons of strategic mineral used for batteries that store solar energy or in the automotive industry, in addition to its hydroelectric potential. The energy transition cannot be done without the DRC. Why not? Because the DRC has the raw materials, it has the solutions for energy transition. We have the water resources capable of giving us hydroelectric energy. We have coltan, cobalt and lithium. So we have everything that allows us to reach the objective of mitigating the global temperatures to 1.5 degrees Celsius. But we are faced with this dilemma because we have our ways of life to serve humanity. As much as Germany needs the alternatives to find solutions to these dilemmas, the Democratic Republic of Congo needs the alternatives to find solutions too. The Petersberg Dialogue, which has just ended here in Berlin on Tuesday, has paved the way for other pre-COP 2017 summits. Another summit is expected in September in the DRC and will involve experts who will discuss climate emergencies and solutions for the preservation of biodiversity in the Congo Basin, which is the lungs of the planet.
Africanews.